Kuovonne here with a new interface that I put together with Airtable's new interface feature. So this is an interface for my Airtable base. If we can go here, you can see that here is my base and there are interfaces here. And I have an interface to help me put in a new client in my table where I can have some data validation going on. So for example, if you can see here that I've got a form here at the top for putting in some new information. I've got a bit of something here to validate. It says that there's no first name, no last name, and the number missed between these things. If I have only partial input, for example, say I have partial input and I put in some things, but I don't have everything, like I don't have my number, and I go and I try and create this record. There's going to be an automation that runs in the background to see, and presently we will wait for that automation to run, and it tells us here that we were unable to create the record because the number isn't correct. Okay, it kept my information here. I can now add a number, and let's say it's 7. But oh, you know what? I actually don't like that. Let's just start over again, and let's just clear this input. I'm going to wait again for my automation to run. So all this is based on automation scripts, so things are a little bit slow. Okay, so I've cleared my input here. Now let's start over again. And let's make sure I've got all the fields filled out. So that's all good. And now I'm going to create my record. I wait again for my automation to run. It takes a while. Eventually, hopefully, we'll get button scripts that we can do this so we won't have to wait so long. And it says, no, we're still unable to record because it would be a duplicate. If we look at Beth, we already have a record for Beth here in our 4 records. Okay, we're going to make this. Let's try again. Okay, let's try this. Let's create this record. Wait for the automation to run. Finally, it created my record, Marmy. And we can look down here. Here is my new record right here. It's got her name, it's got her number. I didn't put in a status, so it wasn't there. And then I can go in and I can add information in here. There you go. That's my quick demo.